Hey everyone, Giller Gray Man Prepping. Yeah, last night was one of those nights where I actually got to bed fairly decently, but then I woke up early. I've been in working on the computer, getting stuff set up for some future live streams coming up here. So, anyways, right now I'm going to go ahead and get on the Gazelle, get some time done in, and work out on the bench a little too. All right, let's get at it. Whew. All right, so I did 45 minutes on the Gazelle. Got 320 calories done on it. And then I did the 30 reps with the on the weight bench for the arms. Did 15 to 20 on the leg lifts. Alrighty, let's get the notes out here, and we can go on with stuff. All right, so your prep for today: plant a food tree. Figure out what type of food tree will work best in your area that you like to eat the fruit of, and plant it. Whether it's a peach, an apricot, a pear, an orange tree, a lemon tree, pecan tree, walnut tree, whatever it is, figure out which one is going to work best for you. Get an area prepped, and as soon as you can, weather permitted, plant one. Ooh, boy. All right. Okay, coming up tonight on here on Gray Man Prepping for Tactical Tuesday, the topic is away from home disasters. So we're going to talk. Everyone plans for for a disaster happening when we're at home or we're close to home and we can use our get home bag to get home. Well, what happens if you're too far away? What happens if you're on vacation on the other side of the country, or you're way up in the mountains camping, or you're on a cruise ship somewhere when a major disaster hits? All right, do you have a plan for getting home? All right, so that's tonight. Tomorrow, Wednesday, I have a video coming out tomorrow, and actually I have one coming out today as well. The one today is on Camp Patton Family Compound, is on the indoor garden. Update on that. The one tomorrow is on Gray Man Prepping. It's number 7 of the Prepping in Private series. And so those two are coming out. Then Thursday night is the Midnight Ride, starting at 5 minutes to midnight. Friday on Camp Patton Family Compound, the live stream topic is garden essentials, plans, budgets, and seeds. And so we're going to be talking about what you need to do to set up your garden and get it going right. Saturday on Gray Man Prepping for Survival Saturday, deal with your vices now. All right. And then on Monday on Camp Patton Family Compound for the Monday Night Fireside Chat, got Tammy and Mark coming in, and we're going to be doing jams and jellies. So that's what's coming up there. Now everyone was saying that winter's over, spring's here, it's going to be it's really short, and winter's short, we got an early spring coming, and it snowed yesterday, and it's snowing again today. And what is it, over in China, they've had exceptionally record colds. I mean, it was so cold, there are videos of waterfowl frozen in the water. Where the water, temperature dropped so fast, the birds didn't have a chance. I mean, they were just starting to freeze, and then the lake froze around them and killed off thousands of them. All right, so some areas are being a little bit warmer than normal. Other areas are extremely cold. I wish I could remember the other place. I think it's in Russia somewhere that they are having also extremely cold weather as well. If you follow Suspicious Observers, he's been putting up all the articles about the Atlantic current convergence, whatever, and how the temperature is dropping on it. And they were, scientists were saying, "Oh, we're not going to have the day after tomorrow scenario for a couple hundred years." And then A couple of weeks ago it was like, oh, okay, it could be 80 years, and now they're looking at, all right, it could be in the 2040s that we could have a collapse of the Atlantic current and basically have a super chilling effect. So think about that in doing your preps. So speaking of preps, make sure you add to your preps water, food, medicine, clothing, learn a new skill, and really up your preps.